What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? I just wanted to give you a quick little video update as far as what I've got going on this weekend, because the footage is going to be a little bit delayed. There's going to be a little bit of a lag time because I'm not going to have any internet access this weekend, because I'm going to be at my family farm down in South Arkansas because I'm going to be celebrating my bachelor party. Never had one of those before. I don't know what to expect. I'm assuming alcohol and strippers, but probably not, since that's not really my jam. However, it's going to be a good time. I'm pretty sure it's just going to be laid back, chill at the farm, shooting guns, riding four-wheelers, shooting the new bow. I don't need alcohol and strippers when I get the farm. That's for sure. So, yeah, that's the plan there. I'm going to be at the farm. I'm not going to have access to internet, so I'm going to be MIA on the emails. I'm going to be MIA on the YouTube videos, and the DMs on Instagram, all that jazz. However, when I get back, I'm going to have a bunch of awesome footage, if all goes well, to upload on the YouTube channel. So if you just are patient with me, give me some time, and I'll get all that uploaded so you can kind of see what the Sykes family Keto Savage bachelor party look like. Should be pretty good. It's kind of crazy. Like, it's getting real. I'm having a bachelor party. I'm getting married in just a little bit. Kind of crazy. However, it's going to be exciting. Crystal and I made that video the other day about me being frustrated about just drama that comes with being in a wedding, and all that goes into the planning of that. And I got a ton of positive feedback. I read every single comment. They were all super supportive, and the common consensus was, look, this is your wedding. It's for you and Crystal. Doesn't matter what anybody else thinks, and I could not agree more. Same thing with like the bachelor party. It's going to be down there. I'm not going to be doing anything crazy, because I don't need to do anything crazy. A lot of people go on these parties. They have this bachelor party. They have like this event, and they just totally go off the rails because they feel like their current life is closing in on them, and they feel like they have to escape and experience something. But I don't get that feeling, y'all. I feel so fulfilled in my life, in my day-to-day as I'm living it now, that I am left wanting nothing different. You know, like, I love what I'm doing. I love my day-to-day. I love my life in its entirety, the ups, the downs, everything. And I'm excited to have Crystal become even more integrated into that. So, that said, I'm kind of rambling right now. Bachelor party this weekend, that's where I'll be. Please forgive the lag in me being gone. But yeah, it should be some pretty good footage as a result of it all. So, I'll see y'all on Monday. Take care, toodaloo. Have a great weekend.